Welcome to Upskys Facebook comment and reply template tutorial. From Comment Growth Tools. This feature is located on the left sidebar Upskys menu. Click on the Comment Growth Tools menu under Comment Features to access it. The Comment Growth Tools will help you set the comment template and reply template of your comment automation. Let's see how to set up comment templates and reply templates for Facebook pages. First, comment template. This is an auto comment template that can contain multiple comments. You can simply create a template by adding the comments you want for that template. Later, these templates will be available for optional selection when you create a new automation campaign. To create a comment template, click on the comment template label, or click on Detail. After the Auto Comment Template Manager page loads, click on Create New Template button at the top of the page. You will see a pop-up box that asks for the template name and the auto comment. You can insert multiple comments by clicking on Add More button at the bottom right. After inserting the information it asks, click on the Save button to successfully save the data. The second Upskys comment growth tool is Reply Template. This auto reply template can contain multiple replies. Simply create a template by adding the replies you want for that template. Later these templates will be displayed when you create a new automation campaign. Let's see how to set up Reply Template for Facebook pages. Click on the Comment Growth Tools menu under Comment Features. And after the page is fully loaded, click on the Reply Template label or click on the Detail on Facebook section. Then, click on Create New Template button. A pop-up will open with a number of options. The first thing you need to do is select the bot-enabled page for the auto-reply. Then, choose the Hide or Delete option to let the system know what you want to do about offensive comments. Next, you can write down the offensive keyword separated by a comma if you are going to insert more than one offensive keyword. Then, you have an optional setting to select a message template to send in a private messenger reply after deleting an offensive comment. Next, you have an option to select if you want to send the reply multiple times when they create a comment multiple times. Now, you need to make sure to enable the comment reply option if you want the auto reply to function. This feature is actually enabled by default. Next, you can enable a setting to enable the page to automatically like the comment made by the commenter. This action will notify the commenter that the page has liked their comment. Next, you can set the option to automatically hide the comment made by the user immediately. This can be useful when you want to manually unhide positive comments you want to be shown to the public. Next, we will set up our comments and our message reply. Currently, Upskys allows both generic and filtered replies. A generic reply will send the same reply to all commenters while a filter reply will respond to a particular keyword or keywords. For this tutorial, let's see how to send a message by filtering word or sentence. First, write the auto reply campaign name. Then, choose the keywords that you would like your bot to respond to. Next, add the comment that you would like your bot to reply with. You have the option to upload an image, a video, or use a direct image URL in your comment reply as well. Here you can choose the message template or your private reply, or create a new message template by clicking on Add Message Template. This is the message that will be sent to the user's Messenger inbox. If no keyword match is found in the posted comment, you can specify a different comment reply here. You have the option to upload an image of the video or use a direct image URL in your comment reply. Here you can specify a different private message to send to the user when no keyword match is found. Once you have completed the form, simply click the Save button and your comment automation template is set. You can set up a generic message for all, in a similar way. Alright, this concludes the comment template and reply template Upskys tutorial for Facebook pages.